You know what you came here for. Sit back and tune in for EISHATAYLORE. Yeah. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, EISHATAYLORE. So today's video is going to be all about the Modelones Lipstick series. Thank you, Modelones, for sending this to me. I highly appreciate it. So literally the Modelones kit comes exactly like this, in this pouch. Isn't this just the cutest thing? You can literally travel with this. It has every single thing you need to do a basic manicure. And it's called a lipstick collection because it looks like lipsticks. Look at that. Isn't this just the cutest thing? Oh my goodness. We'll get into that in a second. We have a cuticle pusher and a cuticle nipper. Comes with a nail file, which I'm not sure what grit this is. It's two different grits though. Comes with, ooh, yes, a buffer, two different grits as well. I'm actually going to use these in a second because my nails need to be shaped and buffed. Comes with a nail brush to get all the dust away. I'm telling you, it's coming with, this kit comes with everything you need, sis. What's this? Ooh, we got some cuticle revitalizer oil. Looks like grapeseed is the first ingredient. Love that for me. Let's open it. Ooh, yes. We're going to use this at the end for sure. We got some stickers. So we have butterfly stickers and, ooh, gold. You know I love gold. Okay, so we have like little lines here, arrows, stuff like that. And like I said, it has everything you need to do a basic set. So it comes with a mini lamp. Hope it's pink. Oh yes, it's pink. Okay, so open like that. And it comes with the charge, well, the port. Goes right here. And this is a UV LED lamp. And of course your little manual to tell you how to use it. But besides all that, let's get to the polishes. So hopefully it's not too bright and you can tell the colors. But again, this is the base coat and this is the top coat. It is a 10 millimeter, so it's a pretty good size. And you can tell which was which base coat, top coat by the different color right here. These are pretty much nudes. This is gonna be a perfect fall color. Love this. Again, let's get into this packaging. It definitely looks like a lipstick, very compact, easy to travel with. I already swatched these colors. I must say the consistency of these polishes are very, very nice. I really like them. They're very, very buttery, if that makes sense. So, very pigmented. They honestly only took one coat. I would say this one being the lightest one. I could have done another coat. It's a little, I'm really bad at swatches, but it's honestly really, really pretty. So again, this is number 7, number 8, 9, 10. Love it. Oh my goodness. I love pinks like this. Like it's not too bright, but it's like the perfect nudie pink. Oh, love it. 11. I love this nude as well. And number 12. So I'm gonna try to use as many of these colors today. And again, I use the top coat underneath it, and this top coat is very thick and buttery, so we're gonna use this today as well. So let's just get into this. So like I said, I actually need to slightly shape my nails. So again, I don't know what grit this is. Then I'm gonna take the buffer, I'm gonna take the lighter side and just buff my nails as well. So I'm going to be playing around with some foil that I have, but that means 2 of the fingers are not going to have base coat. So we're going to be using the Modelones base coat, which I'm excited to try. We are going to try the lamp, because that's what it's there for, right? So the button's right here. So I'm going to cure for, ooh, there we go. Okay, y'all, this lamp is powerful. I like it. And again, it's super compact. Love it. So I'm going to put number 10 in my middle finger. By the way, the consistency of that base coat was watery, but I really liked it actually. Now check this. Oh my goodness, look at this pigmentation. Wish you could feel what this feels like, but it's super buttery. And then my thumb and my pinky finger is gonna be number 9. So y'all, full transparency, I hit this, but it already cured. So I'm just gonna probably cover that up with gems. Full transparency. However, that's not the polish problem. That was my problem, being impatient. But these polishes, honestly, are super buttery, like I said. And when they cure so like, I don't know how to explain it. It's just different. I don't know. It's just something you would have to like really see for yourself. Some foil glue and apply it to these 2 nails. And then cure for 60 seconds. Oh, for 60 seconds. Oh, you hold for 2 seconds. Got it. And I have put my gloves on because when you're dealing with UV and LED light, you need to make sure you are protecting your hands. Okay, so again, we're using foil. I think I got this from Amazon. Grab your silicone tool and just rub the heck out of it. Now I said I don't mind if it comes out like this because we're gonna do something to it. We're gonna take some blooming gel and put it over the nail. So I'm gonna take number 11 and I'm gonna kind of like blot it on in like random spots. So like maybe like, because the blooming gel is on, that's exactly what it's gonna do. I'm gonna grab number 12, which is pretty light, but I'm gonna do the same thing, but I wanna swirl it more. Okay, so for this round, I'm not going to put any blooming gel. This is kind of like a work of art, right? So I'm just going to put, what number is this? I think number 9 in here. Add that color in so it's cohesive. Then I'm going to take my brush with some alcohol on it and just kind of tap that in. Again, there's no like, this is a work of art. So it's kind of doing whatever it wants. It's kind of like an abstract painting. That's what it is. Super cute. And I'm trying to incorporate all the different colors. So I think to add some dimension, I'm going to put number 7. I'm going to use my striping brush. Up doing the middle finger over just because it was driving me nuts. Like I was not about to keep it like that. So here's how it looks so far. Now I'm trying to figure out how to incorporate these stickers because I really want to try them out. Here are my gold flakes. I'm just gonna put the flakes on the spaces that's kind of open. step is the cuticle oil. Like I said, this kit pretty much came with everything you need to do a basic set. This is the final look. I actually really like it. So here's a thumb action. I feel like people never show a thumb. I love the colors. I love that I used the foil, but was still able to use these colors to kind of add in. This is what my right hand looks like. I never show that on camera, but it looks exactly the same. So my final thoughts on the Modelones lip gloss series is that I really, really like these. I love the color story. I love the formula of the colors. I love the matte finish of the bottles and just the overall look of the bottles. They are super sleek and so cute. I love them. And I honestly love the kit as well. So the fact that it comes with all of these items, honestly, it's super beginner friendly, even for professionals too. Because I mean, if you're traveling or something, you kind of have everything that you need. Like it came with stickers. And my thoughts on the lamp too, it was very easy to use and very beginner friendly as well. So I honestly feel like this was such a cute, oh, you can't forget the bag, because the bag is what it comes in. And I loved the fact that it's a leather bag and you can use this for traveling. Super duper cute. So honestly, I highly recommend this. The link will be in the description bar. I can't fit everything in the frame, but you get the point. Everything will be in the description bar. I highly, highly, highly recommend this kit. I will definitely be using this in other videos because I really enjoyed this. And honestly, nudes is such a good color story if you want to be more on the professional side with your colors. So I know a few people kind of messaged me for the last one who was like, oh, I don't really wear colors like that. So here are your nude colors, sis. There you go. Yeah, so I hope this video helped you guys. Definitely hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and that like button as well. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Ugh, I love this. This looks so good. All right, bye guys.